In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Target Reloadable Card with a simple, step-by-step tutorial. Let's get your card funded quickly and safely. First, log in to your Target Reloadable Card account online or through the mobile app. If you haven't registered your card yet, be sure to sign up and activate it. Next, go to the Add Money or Reload section in your account dashboard. You'll see several options for adding funds, like bank transfer, direct deposit, or cash reload at stores. To add money via bank transfer, link your bank account by entering your account and routing numbers. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Funds usually take a few business days to appear. For direct deposit, set up your employer or benefits provider to deposit payments directly to your Target card using the routing and account numbers provided in your account. If you want to reload with cash, visit a participating store like Walmart or CVS, show your Target Reloadable Card at checkout, and pay the amount you want to add. The money loads instantly. Finally, check your card balance online or in the app to make sure the funds have been added. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy money tutorials.